Kayung krekam ke District School Education Officer West Giant Hills ne de lehkmen ke ke Teachers Day wan rup haule ha ke lang wachong kun wadapen man ha District Library Auditorium man thong Jowai. Hagani ke sengi de emlang ulak men rembui MLA ke amlarem kam ukongsan Deilang ke Bibla Additional Deputy Commissioner kam ke sembut kongsan. Ulak men hawe ye kelam de ro o ye ki sikai skur ki wade elut ye bor yo sendur ye ke menrit ki khana de bo ong le wa sikai skur umto di ikam wasuk wa i bakhia bah omdu ye start tang wa pungkup bor ye ki khana kamju wa ya luti ye ki yo man ki kite ki wa chongchnong ki wa ye ujob ye wa ka perthai wa kani depan sngau le ye kemen wo yo wa ki sikai skur depan themi ki start yong ki kat kam wa em kam de wa lai pendep ye cha sikai kamju i cha sikai online lang ba ga nishtha hagani ke sengi de pungkup buram ye ki sikai daga district award wa kantup ya ka diamond paswet Assistant Lecturer Government Voice Higher Secondary School, U Emperor Kasa Headmaster Trangblang Government UP School Trangblang, U Pratap Singh Khongla Head Teacher SR Manar Memorial Government Lower Primary School Sokha, U Carefully Kasa Assistant Scout Master ke Jowai Open Scout Troop, Kakri Korisa Sana Guide Captain Lisi Pierce Guide Company, Niliang ki khana skor depan po penpin ki yakani kesengi dai ruwai chat o bonjai.
College every year they have to increase enrollment. Why? I used to tell that rural college, rural schools teach better. It is like going for tuition. Just imagine, students they are rushing to government high school, boys or girls, for science. 50, 60, 80 of them. And the practical class is very less. And in South government high school, only 5, 6, 7, 8 students. So we have to introspect there is something wrong somewhere. And it is our collective responsibility. Because what is the use of setting government schools if the result is not according to expectation? If the parents don't trust the government school, who will trust? If the teachers who are teaching in government school and still sending her children to private school, who will trust that school? So, it is a collective responsibility. We have to find that there is something wrong, and this can be corrected. No, it is not that we cannot correct it. We can correct it. There is nothing impossible if we have the mind to correct it. But first we have to recognize, to take responsibility if it is made wrong somewhere. So my dear teacher, today is the Teacher's Day. I wish all teachers will be best, but also let us introspect the way forward, how we'll teach in the years to come, how to adapt ourselves with all the digital teaching, how to adapt ourselves with all the technology which we have to teach the student. We have to assert themselves. We have to promise ourselves that whatever we do today, we can do better tomorrow.
An assistant lecturer of Women Boys Higher Secondary School, Jowai, I am truly honored to receive this prestigious district award on Teachers' Day today, the 5th of September 2024. I am humbled to be recognized for my service. To begin with, I want to express my gratitude to my own teachers who inspired me to become an educator as I am today. To my fellow teachers, I salute you all. Your tireless efforts, your creativity, your commitment to our students' learning journey are truly admirable. We are not just teachers, but mentors, role models, and guardians of our students' minds. To my students, past and present, I thank them for being my motivation. I am proud to have played an important role in shaping the young minds and hearts. Teachers are often an unsung heroes. We work behind the scenes, creating lesson plans, grading papers, work with things that we've never used to do, but our impact is profound. We shape the minds of future leaders, innovators, and change makers. My heartfelt gratitude to the Office of the DSEO, Jowai. This award is not just a recognition for our efforts as teachers, but also a tribute to the hard work and dedication of our entire teaching community. I'm truly thankful for this acknowledgement and the opportunities it brings to further serve for the welfare and betterment of our students. Above all, I thank God for this day that I am like what I am today. It is because of His strength, His wisdom, His support, His endless strength to enable me to move on. I thank God for the wisdom and the knowledge that I am able to handle with this divine calling, I should say for all of us as teachers. It is a divine calling for us to serve for the welfare of the young minds that we have to meet and handle every day.
Good